Hello my dear children, welcome back to my class. In the previous class, we have studied about agriculture, different types of farming, types of crops such as food crops and cash crops. We have learnt in detail about cash crops. Some of the important cash crops such as sugarcane, coffee, tea, jute, oilseeds and spices. In today's class, let us learn about food crops. India has a diverse physiography, climate and soil. Because of this, variety of food crops are grown here. Food crops are edible crops. Edible means which can be eaten. They form the staple diet of the people of the region in which they are grown in abundance. What do you mean by staple diet? Staple diet means main food. Some of the important food crops such as rice, wheat, maize, millet and pulses. Let us learn in detail about rice. Rice is an important staple diet of the people living in India. India is the second largest producer of rice in the world. About 34% of Indian land is covered with a rice field. Rice needs hot and humid climate and also plenty of rainfall to grow well. Some of the rice producing states in India are Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Haryana, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Odisha, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh and also West Bengal. Next important food crop cultivated in India is wheat. Wheat is the staple diet of the people living in northern India. Wheat requires wet and cool climate and medium rainfall. Some of the wheat producing states in India are Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Next important food crop is millet. Millets are coarse grain. Coarse means rough. They are also grown as cereal crops across India. Jowar, bajra and ragi are widely grown millets in India. Millets are consumed as human food in a form of roti and they are also used as animal food and also bird food. Millets are grown in dry climate. Some of the important state producing millets are Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Next important food crop is pulses. Pulses are grown in dry climate. Some of the important pulses such as moong, masoor, urad, tur and rajma, they are the important sources of protein. Pulses are grown almost all the parts of India. Now let us learn about horticulture. The cultivation of fruits, vegetables and flowers is called horticulture. India is one of the leading producers of fruits, vegetables and flowers. Some of the important fruits grown in India are apples, bananas, mangoes and so on. Bananas and mangoes are almost grown in all the parts of India. State producing mangoes are Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and West Bengal. States producing bananas are Kerala, Mizoram, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. States producing apples are Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir. Now let us learn about livestock rearing. We get different food items and different things from our animal friends. For example, cow gives us milk, goat gives us meat, hen gives us eggs. Imagine, can you keep hundreds of goats, cows, hens in your backyard? Not possible, isn't it? But there are people who buy them, feed them and take care of them, and later when the products are obtained from these animals, they sell them to the market. Now what is this entire thing known as? This entire thing is known as livestock rearing. Rearing of domesticated animals which give us useful products like meat, milk, wool, etc. are known as livestock rearing. Now let us learn about fisheries. As we all know that fishing is the important occupation of the people living in the coastal areas. Fish is the important staple diet of the people living in India. Oil and many other products are made from fish. Rearing of fish is known as fish culture. Fishes are reared in tanks, in the ponds and also in the small farms. The occupation or industry of catching or rearing of fish for commercial purposes is called fisheries. The foremost fish producing states in India is Kerala. Now let us learn about development of agriculture. As we all know that India is the land of agriculture. Before independence, the agricultural productivity was very low. Over the years, the scientific researches have been conducted to increase the food crops to keep up with the growing population of the country. To increase the quantity of yield and to improve the economic gains from agriculture, new technique of farming was introduced in the year 1960s. As a part of these new techniques, advanced farming, higher quality of seeds and modern technology of farming were adopted by the farmers across India. And this period is known as Green Revolution. Green Revolution refers to a large increase in a crop production by using modern agricultural techniques. Now let us learn about importance of agriculture. It provided employment opportunities. So jobs were given to many people. It supported industries. How? By providing raw materials. Raw materials such as jute, cotton. Jute is a raw materials which is provided to the jute mill. Cotton is a raw material provided to the cotton mills. Now let us discuss some of the exercise questions. What is agriculture? Agriculture is the practice of growing crops or raising animals. What is horticulture? The cultivation of fruits, vegetables and flowers is called horticulture. Where do we get sugar and jaggery from? Yes, we get sugar and jaggery from sugarcane. Name any 5 spices. Which states are the largest producers of spices in India? Cloves, cardamom, pepper, chilies and coriander. Kerala and Karnataka are the largest producers of spices in India. Now let us discuss fill in the blanks. India is known as the land of spices. Jute is known as golden fiber because of its dash color. Yes, it is brown color. Rice is a staple diet in many parts of dash India. Crops are classified into dash crops and dash crops. Yes, they are food crops and cash crops. I hope you have understood my lesson. Children, please write this fill in the blanks in your textbook. Have a happy learning. Thank you.